In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Tradervue data. By the end, you'll have a clean CSV file of your trades saved on your computer, ready for analysis, archiving, or sharing with your accountant or coach. First, sign in to your Tradervue account. Open your preferred web browser and head to the official Tradervue website. Enter your login credentials and complete any security prompts you may have. Give the page a moment to load after signing in so all of your data and menus are fully available. Once you're in, navigate to the Trades section. This is where your executed trades are listed in a table, typically with columns like symbol, date, side, quantity, and price. The Trades section serves as the central spot for reviewing the details of your trading activity, and it's exactly where the export option lives. Take a quick glance to confirm you're seeing the trades you expect. If your window is narrow, you might need to scroll horizontally or vertically to view the full table and its controls. Now, look to the bottom right of the trade table for the Download CSV button. CSV stands for comma-separated values, a simple, universal format that opens easily in spreadsheet tools like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and Apple Numbers. If you don't immediately see the button, scroll to the bottom of the table and make sure you're at the right-hand side. Click Download CSV, and Tradervue will prepare your data for export. Depending on the size of your trade history, the file may take a moment to generate, so be patient if there's a brief delay. When your browser prompts you, choose where to save the file on your computer. Pick a folder you'll remember, such as your Documents, or a dedicated trading folder. It's a good idea to give the file a clear, descriptive name and include a date or date range so you can identify it later at a glance. If your browser is set to download files automatically, the CSV may go straight to your default Downloads folder. You can move it to another location afterward if needed. That's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your Tradervue data to CSV. From here, you can open the file in your favorite spreadsheet application to review performance, build reports, or back it up as part of your record keeping. If a download doesn't start or you can't find the file, double-check your browser's downloads list or your operating system's downloads folder. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.